Hello and welcome back to another video. This is a video many of you have asked for many years, I'm sure, for the 5 years we've been alive or so on our channel. I think it's 6 now. This is 2025. This is being recorded, so it's 6 years. Wow, that's crazy. But yeah, so this is a video where I'm going to show you how to make some of these trees and stuff like that. Just go over on how I made them so you guys can also make them in the future. So let's get right into it. We're going to start off with this pole on the far side here. For this pole, there's a couple different ways you can make it. You're going to need studs. Now you can either use studs with a hole in the middle, or you can use just your plain 1x1 stud. I have some pink plates here, studs. And then you're going to need some Travis bricks with studs on all sides. And then what you're going to do, I'm not going to do it here because I don't have any built, and I just didn't have the time to make it. You're then going to lather this with plates in any way you think. I mean, look at photos of real trees on Google, or whatever you have access to, or literally just walk outside your front door. If you have a tree out there, like a nice oak tree, you could look at that tree and take some inspiration from that. So yeah, and then you can build this trunk and have it go up. And the way you would add branches and stuff, you can have some 1x1 clip pieces, and you could attach to, per se, one of these, or you could do this and have it angled down like that, or you could flip it around and angle it up, or you could use a tile and have it be more straight. This one's going to be angled because it has a plate. I mean, yeah, you can use so many different things to make a branch on there. So that's one way you can make some trees. Now for this next tree, there are instructions for this, which I'm going to post in the description of this video. It is not our design. I don't think either of these trees are. The second one, that sand green clip one, I do not have instructions for. You could probably use like studs or plates for that, but I haven't tried it. So get back to the main idea at hand. This tree, we do not have instructions for. I'm not going to attempt to take it apart in this because it's really painful to put together. But like some of the parts you'll need are these, this piece here, if it would like to focus. There you go. Right there. Yep. So that's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need that. You're gonna need some of these Travis bricks again, and then you're gonna need these. That was a voice crack. You're gonna need these tree leaf pieces, which we have a bag of. So you're gonna need those. You can get them in white, greens, anything. But yeah, that's how you make that tree. And here's a nice angle around it. That looks cool. Nice stump down there. But yeah, I just didn't want to go into this when it might be lackluster, and I could give you an Instagram post that shows you exactly how to make it. So yeah, we'll place that to the side and jump right into the next thing, which will be this tree. Another tree. You guys seem to love trees, so we will show you how to make them. Or how we make them, at least. So for this, you're gonna need multiple layers of Travis bricks, and you're going to have a lot of parts. So this is the tree. This is how we built it. I've taken it apart. That's a little segment there. It uses Travis bricks again, some of those. These are the segments. There's 3 of this double wide one, and there are 2 studs in between each. And then we have single ones here on the top, right there. And yeah, I mean, it works really well for the design it's here for. I mean, there are some builds with these trees on them that will be coming out, and let me give you those sneak peeks, because this video will probably come out long after those builds. And the builds I'm referring to are the Chinese Civil War. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name because I think I'm going to butcher it, and I don't want to offend any viewers who might have from China, and I also don't want Mao Zedong to come kill me. You know, he's probably dead. I forget. Don't call me on that. I know more than your average American, okay? Which is not very much compared to those videos on YouTube about people being asked about what is the American Revolution. But that's besides the point. So that's how you make this tree. I hope that worked and that was helpful for you. If it wasn't, I'm sorry. Text me on Instagram or Discord, and our Instagrams will be linked in the description. Not linked. I think we linked them in every single video. So yeah, you can check that out right there. And now we're gonna move on to this little barricade here. So this barricade is a very simple build. So you'll start off by doing this type of build on this side. Here's a little headlight brick, and you'll just take a 1x3 plate, put it in the back, and a 1x3 tile, put it in the front, and that's going to be your holder for the barricade. And this is how you make the barricade itself. Kind of self-explanatory. And then I'll remove this. This is kind of the same build. So you would build it back one there, and then this, which this is how you build it. Cool little barricade. If you've ever seen Indiana Jones, I think these are in there as well. You attach it like that, right there. And you put your tile on. And then you have your nice barricade. And you can have your German soldiers lifting up. Oh, I kind of broke it. Your German soldiers lifting up the barricade for Indiana Jones as he goes through, because he's disguised as a German. And he gets a certain person's autograph. A certain fan favorite, I guess it is. Maybe. With a funny mustache. Moving on. These are sandbags. These are really simple. For sandbags, you can use any number of pieces, but you're going to use that for this, at least this design. You're going to probably end up using some 1x1s and possibly some 1x2 plates, but we'll just stick with this for now, depending on how big you want your sandbags. And you're going to build it just in this pattern here. That's how we do it, or at least I do it when I did this build. This wasn't even used on a build, but yeah, and then you can kind of pop it like that. You can angle it any way and make them angle and work, and yeah, it really works rather well. So that's how we make those sandbags for you guys that were wondering, possibly. Moving on down towards the end, we have our lamppost. This lamppost I designed during, I think, my second Budapest Siege build, and it is a solid lamppost and has gotten me through a lot. So I will show you how I made it. Right here, we have a single piece of flex tube, a long bar that is incredibly useful. It has a hole down the center there, kind of like a blowgun. Yeah, you can maybe see it. It goes down the yay length. There you go, hole. You're gonna take 1/2 and you're going to place it into the stand, like so. And then after you have it in the stand, you're gonna get one of these clip pieces. Well, you're gonna fill the surround the bar with like 10 pins. So you're just gonna build this assemble. Then you're gonna put one of these clip pieces on, like that. And then this is an assembly with studs in the hole in the middle, with a short piece of flex tube that you cut to size. And then you take these, stick them in there, and there's your lamppost. For those of you that were wondering how we made this, that's how we make it. It works pretty well. It's kind of used in a lot of places across Europe, I'm sure, and if not, you can always modify it or make your own. So yeah, that's how we do that. And then moving on to the last thing, this is the little sniper tower I made. Really self-explanatory. Can show you the inside here, as I attempt to shine a light in there so you can actually see. This is the inside of it, with some barricades and stuff. The bottom, there's really not a lot of complicated techniques that go into this. Sorry, it's really actually quite simple. But yeah, so that is how we make our little watchtower here that hasn't even been used in a build yet. Maybe a certain build about like a camp and stuff, we could do that. but YouTube might get mad at us for portraying history. So yeah, that is how you make and how to get your hands on some of these designs that we have here that you can use for your own builds. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like stuff like this, please, drop a comment. I really did enjoy doing this build and thought, or this video, thought I could help you. If you have more questions about stuff, you can drop a comment down below. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.